All right, here we are on the GE Carestation 650, and we're getting ready to do the zero gas transducers calibration, and there's your instructions right there. Okay. Remove all cylinders, disconnect all pipeline supplies. Okay, so I'm going to show you the back of the machine. Okay. And the first thing I want to show you on the way to the back of the machine is our pipeline gases, okay, which I've already unplugged. Here they are. Okay, there's all three of them. They're unplugged from pipeline gas. Okay, and then now the cylinders on the back of the machine. Okay, they need to be disconnected. Now there's your nitrous. Okay. And then come on down here and you can see that both tanks, medical air and O2, have been removed from the manifolds. Okay, so we have everything disconnected. Thank you.